Hitting her with the baseball bat until I can't pull. Makes my big ass roll look like a console. Keeping my composure just to boom some exposure. Once she ready for the closure, I'm gonna give her full disclosure right now. Before kicking the bucket, might as well just have it. Grab my ankle and tuck it out.
If you ever set foot in this place again, I will have you thrown out.
She's gonna get ya. She's gonna get ya. She's gonna get ya.
Right here, right now, I put the offer out. I don't wanna chase you down, I know you see it.
No cats are rolling their eyes and glowing with the thirst that's blowing their bodies. That sure will run to the daddies. Make them all find out to the daddies. Walking the aisle, sexy overdose. That's controls. I live in more than a penthouse. My heart blows. Up blood pressure grows. How she moves. Giving away she already chose. She's that close. Eating her prey from head to toe. Only God knows how she's doing a thing with that striking pose.
She's gonna get ya. She's gonna get ya.
Will you let me pierce your ears? And now, before you say anything, I think this could be the start of something totally amazing between you and I. Me.
What's left, baby? What's next? A short love story or an Instagram text? Guess you're up, cause I think I'm undone. Yesterday night, I thought I was the hunter. She's gonna. Hitting her with the baseball bat until I can't pull. Makes my big